Hari Om, myself Vidyashri B, Department of Computer Science, Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Kasaragod. Today I am explaining Google Form, how to use Google Form. As a teacher, we are facing a lot of problems during online class due to COVID-19. We are not able to conduct exam, self-assessment, etc. So, how we can overcome this? We can use Google Form. We can implement Google Form in our online class. So let us study how to use Google Form. We can learn one by one. So I'm going to start. First, you should open Chrome application, that means web browser. Just open Google web page. Here, when you click on Google or else www.google.com, it will appear like this window. So, in top, you can see some of menus, apps, Gmail, YouTube, Maps, etc. So, these are Google apps. Gmail, YouTube, Map, these are Google apps. And here you may see in the Google apps, scene of Google apps are displayed here: account, search, map, YouTube, play, Gmail, meet, contact, etc. Here you should select drive. So drive, you should click on drive. It will ask to enter your email address with valid password. So you can log in through your Gmail account. I'm entering my username and password. Click next button. Click on next button. This is exact picture of my drive. So some of images you may file documents you may see. This already which I saved in my drive. So here you can see one plus option, new. So we are telling about Google Forms, how to create Google Forms. So there is an option plus, right? Just click on that plus option. You can see here more option, that means more one option. Just select Google Forms. Go to new, that means plus, more, Google Form. After clicking Google Form, you can see such one untitled form. Clear? Here, actually, we are typing questionnaire. It may be multiple choice. It may be short answer, paragraph, etc. So, here you can see one is questions, one is response. After typing question, if you are submitting questions to individual students, how they are response from the student, we can analyze by using response. So we can discuss later. Here you can see untitled form. This part is known as header of Google Forms, header part. So you just imagine that in question paper you may see that Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kasaragod, assessment 1 or periodic test 1, subject English, computer science, maths, etc. The same way we can use the header to type the descriptions of our questionnaire. That means what is the subject, school name, etc. So here I'm just for demo I'm typing Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kasaragod. Here from description I am going to write class test 11th July 2020. Okay, so this is just if you want to see how it will display as question, just you can see here one review option, one I. So just click on this review. Now you can see the exact format of Google. So question we did not type. So this is how it display the form. Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kasaragod, class test 11 July 2020. So you can close it and just come to the Google Forms. Now the next concept is how to import questions, etc. So these are the options are available in Google Form. The first option is add questions. When you click on add question, you can see here, this is the format of after clicking add question. When you click on add question, such one panel will display. Here you want to write the questions and options or which type of questions if you want to enter. So second option is import questions. For example, already if you created a Google form and you saved in Google Drive, you can import some of the questions from the previous Google forms to the present Google form. Clear? That's why we used import questions. The next one is add title and description. This is used for example, in question paper you may see that some of instructions, is it? These following questions carry 2 marks, 3 marks, etc. So such cases we can use add title. When you click on this, you may see here add title. It came, you can, so it should, add title should come before untitled question. I can use, can you see one dragging option icon? I can drag like this. So it came. So we can, if you want to change the question, the first question should be come to last and last one should come to first. You can use this dragging option and you can drag it. No problem. That option is available in Google Form. So I will make this, I will drag to the top. Here I can type answer the following. I can type. Clear? Next option is add image. If you want to insert image, you can use this option. Add video, you can insert video. And the last one is add section. In question paper, we observed that section A, section B, section C. Correct? So the same procedure, the same pattern we can use in Google Forms. We can discuss each. The first one is how to import question, add question. When you click on add question, see this one panel will display in Google Form. Here you should write the question. Here you should write the question. I'm writing one simple question. What do you mean by what is computer? So normally what is computer? It is a short answer. Is it? So here there is an option. Multiple choice, paragraph, short answer. So I am selecting short answer. And here there is a short answer test. The students can write the answer. Clear? So this is how import question panel to Google Form. Now you can see that required, the mandatory questions. You may see that when you filling some of the forms, these are mandatory, you should fill. Without filling this information, it will not log in, it will not be submit. The same process here. If you click, put it on required, the students have to answer this question. They cannot skip. Some of the time students may not be knowing what is computer, so they cannot leave the question, they should answer. That is the purpose. We can keep it open, or if you off the required, they without writing answer they can submit, no problem. So that is the use of required one option. Here description and response validation, that is not much important. The next second one here, what is computer? Here can you see one option, image. We can insert image to your questions. Okay, so just click on this image, and Here upload, we can upload from computer, that means our desktop or particular folder. We can capture the image using camera by URL, photos, Google Drive. If you stored any photos in Google Drive, we can fetch it from there. Google image search, normally we used Google image search because directly we can import images from Google Drive, Google. So I'm typing here computer. So when I'm clicking on computer, you see here the list of computers pictures it is available. So you can select one of picture from this. Then here there is an option to insert. You can insert. Now this see the changes of this. Now see the beautiful pictures appeared in our screen. So using editing option or resize option, we can resize the picture. We can make it short as per your wish. This is how we can import image. The next, add image. We can add a blank image using Google image search. I'm using keyboard. If I use keyboard, just insert. See some of the images. Clear? Here you can give the image title. You can write keyboard. So this is the use of inserting image. The same way add video. You can add the video to for example, after displaying video or playing video, you can ask 1 or 5 questions from video. So next one is add section. Just click on add section. You may see the difference. This is the first set of questions. This is the second set of questions. See section 2 of 2. Here section untitled section, second part. Clear? That is because we are splitting the different sections. Section A, section B, section C. The next one is after multiple choice question. How we can create multiple choice question. Just click add question, and here just you type find out valid. Just example I'm writing valid inputs. Just find out valid inputs. So there is multiple choice question. So I can add the option using this option. I can write the option. First option is for example software. The second option is printer. Third option is mouse. And fourth answer is operating system. So these are the 4 options. So here the correct answer is mouse. So if you want to make it mandatory question, you can use this required option. This is how multiple choice questions we can set in Google form. The next one is how we can use the header image. So here you can see customize theme. Just click on this. Before this, I want to share some important concept. Go to the settings. Just go to the settings. Here you can see that quizzes. Just select the quizzes and mark this as quiz. Because for example, in the class 45 students answering the questions, it will take enough time to evaluate. So we can make it as a quiz. So easy, you can computer will that means the Google form easily will correct the answers and it will score the marks. So just go to the settings and quiz option. Make this a quiz. Just put it on and save. Now you see here answer key. We can write the answer key, the difference. In the previous it was not mentioned answer key. Here we can write the answer. Add correct answer. I can write here computer is a electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So if the students is entering wrong answer, so we compute that Google form easily to understand which are responded with wrong answer and correct answer. That is what the use of quiz. Mark this as quiz. The next one is go to the customize theme. Just click on this and here you can change the background for to make beautiful of Google form. You can select any color, no problem. Then if you want to use some of the images as a header, you can use any images. Here enough templates are available. You can choose any of the images from this or else you can upload from the Google, no problem. Go to the browser and this is from your desktop. You can select one of the images and you can upload it. And photos from Google you can search, and here I'm selecting some of the template and just clicking on to insert. So now you see the difference. Here the header photo, it's displaying some of the chemical reactions photos. I hope you understood. Here also the background color we can change, and here the use of basic the font style. We can change the 4 types of font styles are available. You can change which you like. That is the use of customize themes. This is used for review. If you click on review, you may see this. This is how to display, how it will display in front of in the part of students. When you think about the student side, how it display. So that is the overview of Google form. Now the next concept is how to send the link. The main important, how we can send the link. Just go to the send option. Here just we cannot normally we can select through email, but it is difficult. We should collect all the students email accounts, so better we can go to the second option. Here you see the link. You can see here one copy option. Just click on copy and you can paste in chat box, in the students chat box. So after you may give within 15 minutes you should respond and students will respond accordingly. Then how to evaluate? The next concept is how to evaluate. So that's what the use of response. Just click on response. Here you can see that this is the use of accepting response and closing it. So if you keep it open, anytime students can respond. After 15 minutes, if I close this, no one can accept it. No one can respond. Clear? So if I keep it open, anytime after warning time, the students can respond. No problem. So here I will show you which I created one of the document. I will show you that time you will understand better the response view. See here you can see this is what one of Google form. Here you can see the response. So here you can see the no accepting response. That means no one can accept now. If I give the permission accepting response, then only students can access, they can respond. Here there are three options: summary, questions, individual. Summary means how many of you participated, the name of the students, and which are the question they entered. Some of the multiple choice will display through chat, etc. This is what the evaluation, the response from the student. Here the next one is questions. So for example, name of the teacher, I can select individual questions. Department, so here you can see the department, how many of you respond. In mathematical department, 6 response, Hindi 6. So the same way in the students list you can see. The next very important, individual response. Normally we will go through individual response. So when you click on individual response, the first, we can see the first person in this Amita D. Raju. So you can see the individual response, which are the answer they entered. We can evaluate easily. This is how to evaluate the Google form. Next, you want to take the printout. Just you can see here print. You can just click on this print and you can take the printouts. No problem. Next, if you want to make it one Excel sheet, just go through this one sheet. Can you see that Excel format? Just click on this icon and automatically it will displaying the response of particular Google form. Clear? Now, how to download? You can see here file. Click on file and just download. We can download through Excel or PDF format. Anything you can use. That is how we can download students' response. The next, when you click on these three dots, here we can see that download responses.csv. That means zip file. Zip file. If you want to send the document to somewhere, you can use this format. But similar, it is a zip file. This one is Excel format. When you click on this zip file, after import the file, it will be displaying in the format of Excel. The format of Excel. So that is what, how to create Google form. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much.